The DETECT-O-MITE non-lethal Varroa detection system. To test for Varroa, collect enough bees to bring the volume of bees up to the fill line on the container. This will amount to half a cup, 100 milliliters, or approximately 300 bees. Screw on the anesthetizing lid and expose the bees to CO2 for 4 to 6 seconds using the CO2 dispenser. The bees will become sluggish and stop moving, but it will not kill them. Wait 10 to 20 seconds. Then replace the anesthetizing lid with the screened sifting lid. Shake the container for 20 seconds to sift all the mites through the screen onto a clean surface for counting. Use a sheet of paper, paper plate, or if you prefer to drown the mites, a dish of water. Return the sample of bees to the hive to revive. Count the mites. Divide the number of mites by 3. This will give you the percentage mite load. Example, 300 bees have a count of 6 mites. Divide by 3. You have a 2% mite load. The DETECT-O-MITE non-lethal Varroa detection system from Beekeepers for Beekeepers.